guys, welcome back to my channel Elegant Hairstyles, and today we are gonna showing you a new hairstyle which is some like with French braid. So we're just gonna brush the hairs. Now you have to select a partition of hair like this. And now I will clip this. Now as you can see that I have clipped the other two sides so that we are not disturbed during making this hairstyle. So for that we'll be needing comb tail. We'll just start blading and we'll take small sections of hairs side by side. And now I'm just gonna secure this blade with a rubber band. Now I have opened the clips, removed the clips and sew, and I have brushed the hairs, and here our hairstyle is completed. Like, you can all try this because it's so easy and very pretty hairstyle. Like, you can also make this on the other two sides from here and here, but I'm showing you from the center. I hope you will like this hairstyle and will try this. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you in my next video.